Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to use Gemini AI for image generation and editing like a pro. Let's get started. First, you need to start with a clear idea. Before generating images, think about what you want. Whether it's a landscape, a portrait, or abstract art, having a clear vision helps Gemini understand your request. Then here you need to use a detailed prompts. You need to be specific in your prompts. For example, instead of saying create a cityscape, you need to describe it like generate a futuristic cityscape with neon lights under a night sky with flying colors. Cars. Then here you can experiment with the styles. The Gemini AI can generate images in various styles like realistic, surreal, cartoonish, and you can add the style keywords to your prompt like this in the style of cyberpunk or watercolor effect. Then here you can edit your images. Once you've generated an image, you can use Gemini to refine it. You can adjust the elements, color, and nuance, balance, sharpness, and even remove or add objects. Don't settle for the first result. Experiment with different prompts, tweak the details, and use feedback loops to enhance the image until it's perfect. By following these steps, you can unlock Gemini AI full potential for creating and editing images like a pro. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.